In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert customary units of length and distance. In the first example, we're going to convert 7 feet to inches. First, we'll look at the unit that we're starting with and the unit that we're ending with, and we're going to decide which one of those units is bigger and which one is smaller. Feet are bigger than inches, so we're going to drag the word bigger underneath the 7 feet, and then we're going to drag the word smaller underneath inches. Now we decide whether we're going to multiply or divide our unit. Whenever you're converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. Next, we have to determine what number we're going to multiply the 7 feet by. So we're going to go to the conversion chart below and look for feet and inches. 1 foot is 12 inches, so we'll multiply the 7 feet by 12 to get a total of 84 inches. In the second example, we're converting 42 feet to yards. In this example, we're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So we're going to drag smaller over to the 42 feet and bigger under the yards. Anytime we go from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we're dividing. Next, we're going to look at our conversion chart to determine what number to divide by. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, so we're going to divide 42 feet by 3. When we do this, we get 14. So 42 feet converts to 14 yards.